Welcome to the Star Industries low profile skid steer bucket, a must-have in anybody's fleet that's using skid steers. Our skid steer bucket is recently redesigned, and I'd like to walk you through some of those features. First of all, we offer this from a 60-inch up to an 84-inch in the standard low profile series, and then we have a heavy duty or extreme series that we offer up to 1/4 inch material and 96-inch long. Specifically, there's recent redesigns that we've done on this, including a reinforced hat channel section, reinforcements on the top, a specific and centered step for the driver to be able to exit the vehicle fine. The sides are made of a 3/8 material. The shell itself is made of 3/16 material. We have a 5/8 thick 6-inch weld-on blade that's standard. Some of the options that we offer on all the Star Industries skid steer buckets, first of all, would be a weld-on shank with a replaceable tooth, typically a number 23 style. We like welding those teeth on, those shanks on, because we believe that it gives a significant amount of reinforcement instead of it being a bolt-on option. We do offer, in addition to the weld-on blade, we do offer a bolt-on blade as well. And in addition, we offer side cutters that can be purchased and added on to any of the Star Industries skid steer buckets. One of the unique features that was in the new redesign of the Star Industries low profile skid steer buckets is how we do the energy transfer from the blade itself through the scuff bars that goes all the way and connects directly into the 3/8 fully welded quick attach plate. You really don't even have to rely on the shell itself for what's taking the immediate force as the operator is working his material. The shell itself will be heavy duty and hold the materials inside, but the specific energy transfer goes directly through these structural members that are fully welded through the bucket itself. I think we all know that skid steer attachments take a significant amount of abuse, especially if they're in a rental fleet. We love how we've designed our quick attach plate. It's one solid piece made of 3/8 material, and then it's fully welded on every seam where it attaches to the shell of the bucket or many other of our skid steer attachments where we use this quick attach. You'll see the interior welds around here. You'll also see the perimeter welds and how it's significantly robust and how it's built for heavy duty attachments made by Star Industries. As with many of the Star Industries product line, this low profile skid steer bucket from Star is offered with an industry leading 5-year warranty.